Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Saifa Salsabila as a member of government. Today motion is this house believe that a feminist movement should aggressively oppose to the K-pop industry. We agree with this motion. There are so many forage culture and answer to this country, and it can make our children and our young generation forget about their culture. In effect, there are so many young generation better know the K-pop rather than our culture. They know about the other culture like Korean, especially Korean culture, rather than our culture. This is horrible because if our young generation if our young generation better know the other culture, so they less of knowledge about our culture. It can make it can make their better should know our the other culture. This is horrible because our young generation can make a shaping about how they should look like, how the girl should look like have a skinny body, hair long, and fresh face. This is the important thing that we should to against. And also, this can make a crisis of identity in if our young generation and it can also make the lack of confidence. We should support this feminist movement. It can help our young generation to be better, and it can make our young generation become more confident and less of insecurity. Since that the K-pop come to in this country, there are many young generation forget about their own culture. It's also important that we should push our young generation to have a knowledge about our country, not a foreign culture, especially K-pop or Korean culture. K-pop also can make a beauty standard. If we say that K-pop cannot make the beauty standard, but we can see that the whole of idol, it look like same. They have her body, her ideal body, her long hair, the face, in their face there's no acne or scars or etc. So it is absolutely can make a crisis of identity. The important thing that we should limit a K-pop or a Korean culture to this country. To save our children, to save our young generation to be better. The opposing opposition said before that we can learn about being beauty will be different, but in fact our society there is so many sickness about the woman. They make the woman have to have a body goals and should have an ideal. This is contradictory from the opposing opposition said. If you can see the height standard created by K-pop, it can also make the woman feel discriminative in their society, and this is a fact. This is real. Another thing that K-pop fans many waste their time to see the computer on a TV screen, which can cause eye disease or ear too. Besides that, it can make be harsh in their body too. Also, in effect, K-pop fans, especially women, they can have a mentally breakdown because they're so too fanatic. So it can make the woman have unstable emotion. K-pop coming with the beauty standard, is this real? You can see the whole of idol. You can see there are it's not about the girl but the boys too. So beauty standard is not can make the woman discriminative, but also the boys, and this is important to us. The big wave from K-pop is threatening our young generation. Many young generation want to be an artist or an idol rather than they should achieve their goals. Another thing is, first, K-pop industry often fantasies about same-sex love, but at the same time, it is ironically a sensitive subject and a taboo. K-pop manifests of a particular trait of capitalist governments, conservatism, which commercially exploits homoerotic, or we can say that fan service to satisfy of heterosexual fans, and accepting a gender and as sexual minorities who are forced to hide their identity in the K-pop industry. Second, South Korea, restrictive and ethnically specific beauty standard. The country has the highest per capita ratio of plastic surgery in the world. For the reason, people pay a lot of attention to their looks, like to their body, to their face. Not so much out of vanity, but because they want to be successful and a socially accepted. So this is the reason that many people try to be accepted in a society. And the third, K-pop industry conforming to breaking from gender norms. Female performers are accepted to look sexualized but innocent in an idol-like way, while the male idols distancing themselves from traditional masculinity and breaking gender stereotypes, especially in terms of appearance, gender-neutral clothing, normalizing makeup and dye hair for women. And the last, they capitalizing in everything. For example, a few weeks ago, that we can see in so many. For example, a few weeks ago, BTS make the collaboration with MCD. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm from the government whip of the closing government. First, I'd like to resume some of speech from all. K-pop is a role model and standard for everyone. Women should be look like, example, teeny and small body, long hair, light skin, and a woman should be beautiful. Why we have to agree? Because it has a bad impact. For example, like for the relationship, that a girlfriend should be like twice, or who has a mama. Now it's not just the Western standard that makes beauty standard, but the Eastern too. Speaking about K-pop, some of them win the awards and bring their beauty or show their beauty to the stage. Some of members in K-pop industry, they have their education and they complete their education while they're being a star of K-pop. From the opposite side, said that we cannot blame Korean artists because they go by their standards of beauty. From the from the government side, we should support this feminist movement. It can help our young generation to be better, and it can make our generation become more confident and less of insecurity. Many young generation forget the traditional culture too, causes identity like insecure because they get some acne, scars, or black skin about themselves. Beauty standards just for women, but not just for women, but men too. It also gives effect of some same-sex love. This is the things about the motion, and I think that's enough. Thank you.